Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Got a new SCX30 build. Well, I say that, but nothing on this thing is from Axial, but it's the brand new Mues MB30 body. Came out nice with the lights. You get the lights and everything. I also added to this one chassis lights that are from Endura. So we'll go into details right now on the build and what I used, and then we'll take it for a maiden. All right guys, to start, again, it's the MB30 body from Mues. They just came out with it. I have the brand new Klingon tires from Endura, the bigger version, 44 millimeter. I got the new chrome wheels from Endura. They look really nice. If you're asking about some of the decals on this is my own, but this is a package that I got from Hobby Details. Really awesome set of decals. They also make one for the Jeep body as well that I just did too. The Jeep came out nice as well with some of the graphics that they have for that kit. Moving on, this goes up and down. I had some issues having it click onto this chassis, so I modified it with the magnet setup. I am running the Unity Speed, the Nano Unity Speed from Furatech, just because I just wanted to see how fast it was versus my Nano Unity Torque system. Running all the lights. I still need to button them up. Still using, I lie, I'm using the Axial original battery. 26 millimeter Endura shocks, as well as Endura links. Everything else is Endura chassis, everything. But yeah, it came out really great. These are the brand new, I think they're 4 millimeter plus 4 millimeter axles that Endura came out with. So we're going to try those as well. All right, we're going to take her up the 3D printed rocks. Bottoming out a little bit. Try that again. There we go. Definitely has a little bit more punch. Oh, pushing a little bit. There we go. I like these bigger tires on this rig. We'll do some side hilling here. See how well it side hills. With some articulation. Oh yeah. See if I can get up the one of the steep sections. Hopefully you can do this without flipping. Looks like it's gonna want to flip. Oh, well, that was my fault. I hit the gas. Let's try that again. I hit too much gas. You gotta finesse these steep sections, and I did not do a good job of that. Uh-oh, there we go. Oh, I might not be able to get up this section. Try it from the bottom. It's a little top heavy with this body. And correct it with some weight down below if I want. Nope. All right, we'll try a different section. We'll try going up this. Well, that was a failure at first, but again, you learn from your mistakes and how to tweak it later. But it shouldn't have any problems getting up this section, which it doesn't. And we're going to try the harder line here. And look at the lights. The chassis lights are awesome. I kind of like it. I wouldn't put it on all my builds, but for this build, it kind of looks pretty cool. There we go. You got to get that front end dropped. And hopefully the back can slide out just like that. And up it goes. All right, we're gonna go over to the articulation section of the track that I put and designed to show how well the suspension works. So we'll see how well the, oh yeah, looks good. We'll see how well it goes downhill, see if it has any problems. It might. Yep, usual issues. Now we're going to try the steepest section, which I don't think we're going to get up since we didn't get up that other section. If it's top heavy, it's top heavy. Yep. So we're not going to even get up that. But again, I'll be able to tweak it and we'll be able to fix it later. You can see I'm still working on the body. It still doesn't stick right. And that's another reason why it's coming up. So, yep, woof, wheelie time. All right, one last section of hill for this. And it shouldn't have any problems getting up this. So the steepest parts are a work in progress with this truck, which I kind of knew going into this. Just got to put more weight in the front, a little bit more, not too much. And you got to fix the body. You can see the body's lifting, which looks terrible, and that's why it's having its issues. We will be able to get up this section fairly easily. And you can see the body is popping up. That's annoying. But that's all right. Oh, we're taking out the Yellowstone sign. It's not the permanent location of that sign. I'm going to be doing some modifications to the track later this fall. But again, now we're going to go down and over and try to hit up the tunnel and see the lights from that. But for the most part, it's a nice, we're bottomed out. There we go. You can see the punch on this truck. I don't think we're going to get up this, but we'll try it. It'll probably flip just like the other one. Oh, maybe. Nope. Definitely not going to get up this. Nope. All right. Well, I got some work ahead of me for this truck. But we're going to go into the pit. And we're going to go up and around into the tunnel. This tunnel, and then we're going to show all the lighting that this will produce. You guys can see that. Look at that. So sweet. So sweet. Definitely one of my cooler looking rides right now. I do like how this came out. I just need to fix the body and keep her from flipping, and I think she'll be a really good truck. And here she comes. The turn radius on this is amazing. All right, guys, we're gonna gun it. Let's try that again. Again, this is the speed version by Furatech, so we're gonna get it right where we want it. Let's take off, and you can see, look at how fast that is. Through the thing, through the thing. All right. We're gonna go up here, one last little run, and we'll call it good. I'm gonna go up right up here. I need to utilize this part of the track more, really do. I'm not gonna go up the steep part because I know it's not gonna get up it just by all the... Oh! All right, guys, there it is, the new 30 scale build. Mues did a great job with this body. It's the MB30. Check it out on their website. I'll have it in the description, a link to it. But again, let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. And again, hit that like and subscribe button. And until the next one, guys, thanks for watching.